What's up guys, welcome to Apex. Thanks for tuning in. Samsung has started rolling out the 5th beta for the One UI 6.0 on the Galaxy Z Fold 5. If you own a Galaxy Z Fold 5 or Z Fold 4 and if you're on beta, you'll be getting this version of the software. This is the beta 5 and the version number ending with ZWK5. The size of this update is about 663.2 MB. And the security patch we have already received for November 2023 with the last beta itself. So that's the best part about Samsung. We get the security patches almost on time for the flagship phones at least. Now coming to this update, as you can see in the changelog, we don't have any new features. All the new features we have already got in the first beta itself, so there is no new feature addition. It's all about the stability and reliability. It says device behavior has been improved. Security, the device is protected with improved security, and then there are a couple of more points mentioned here. Now this is the 5th beta on Z Fold 5 and maybe a couple of more betas to go. On the S23 Ultra we saw almost about 9 beta versions before we got the stable release of One UI 6.0. Likewise, we may see a couple of more betas probably on the 7th or 8th beta, and maybe after the 9th beta we will get the stable version on the Galaxy Z Fold 5. The focus is of course will be on the stability improvements on this device. Even on the 5th beta I still see some stutters here and there on the phone, but no major issues as such. More or less all the applications are working on my phone. I use the payment application, banking application, everything is working perfectly fine. Luckily those important applications are not crashing on this beta version. The animation seems to be pretty smooth. On the S23 Ultra, after the stable version was released, the widget animation is still broken. It doesn't get back to the same position on the S23 Ultra when we tap on the widget and go back. But here on the Z Fold 5, you can see the animation for the widget is perfectly fine. When you tap on the widget, it smoothly opens up, and when we go back from the home screen, it gets back to the same position with a nice transition effect, which looks fantastic. And this is something which Samsung has to fix on the Galaxy S23 Ultra. The battery performance is pretty good. It is as good as new. I don't see any downgrade in the battery performance. It's performing pretty well. I am getting close to about 6.5 hours of screen on time on moderate to heavy usage on the device. It definitely lasts slightly more than a day, which is fantastic for a foldable phone, and I hope the battery performance will remain the same or improve when we get the stable version of the One UI 6.0. That's all I want to share with you guys. You let me know what are your thoughts about this iteration of One UI on your Galaxy Z Fold. Drop a comment, and while you do that, be sure to subscribe to the channel and give this video a like if you find this video informational. Thanks for watching. My name is Salian signing off. Cheers. Bye-bye.